An introduction to the Virtual Sculptures activity, part of the Art in the Environment sub-theme in the Digital Learning Across Boundaries project. This activity is inspired by the empty fourth plinth in Trafalgar Square, London. Artists are commissioned to make a sculpture to sit on the plinth for a few months at a time. This made me think, could we make and place sculptures in our environment and further away from us? The first thing you'll need to do is decide where your sculpture is going to go, and then you need to take a photograph of that place. It could be a place near you in your school or your local area, or it could be a photograph that you choose online and download to save and use later. The next thing you need to do is make your own sculpture no bigger than your hand. You can use any materials, but you must make sure that you do not use the colour green in the sculpture that you make. This will be important later. You might want to think about how your sculpture will change and improve the space where you intend to put it. When your sculpture is finished, you need to take a photograph of it against a green background and save this photograph. You now have two photographs, a photograph of the place where you wish to put your sculpture and a photograph of your sculpture on a green background, and you can use a green screen app to put these together. If you get stuck with this, ask me for help. When you've used the green screen app, you can place your sculpture in different places to experiment with how your sculpture will look. Here is my sculpture on the false plinth in London, at the University of Northampton where I work, and on a beach that I visited in Denmark. Add your photograph to our Padlet and make sure you include your name, the title of your sculpture if you have given it a title, and the name of the place in the photograph. You can email me if you need any help or want to ask me anything.